today we're going to learn about animal sounds. Bhuvan, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a lion.
Do you know what sound a lion makes?
A lion? I don't know.
Well, that's okay because in today's video we're going to learn about animal sounds.
Okay, let's get started.
A cat says meow. What does a cat say?
Meow.
Donkey says hee-haw. What does a donkey say?
Hee-haw.
Sheep says baa. What does a sheep say?
Baa.
Cow says moo. What does a cow say?
Moo.
Dog says woof. What does a dog say?
Woof.
Pig says oink. What does a pig say?
Oink.
Frog says ribbit. What does a frog say?
Ribbit.
Mouse says squeak. What does a mouse say?
Squeak.
Bee says bzz. What does a bee say?
Buzz.
Bear says growl. What does a bear say?
Growl.
Lion says roar. What does a lion say?
Roar.
Snake says hiss. What does a snake say? Elephant says trumpet. What does an elephant say?
Trumpet.
Duck says quack. What does a duck say?
Quack.
Monkey says ooh. What does a monkey say?
Ooh.
Kids, now it's game time. Do you like game time?
I love game time.
Okay, let's start. First question. Listen to the sound and tell what animal makes it. Here are the options. Pig, frog or dog? Kids, did you find it out?
Aha! I know the answer. It's frog.
The correct answer is frog. Great job! Second question. What sound does a pig make? Options are buzz, moo or oink. Kids, did you find it out?
Yes, I did. It's oink.
The correct answer is oink. Great job! Third question. Which animal says bzz and also makes honey? Options are cow, bee, and sheep. Kids, did you find it out?
Aha! I got it. It's bee.
The correct answer is bee. Great job! Congratulations to all the kids who said the correct answer. Now we're gonna sing an animal sound song. Bhuvan, are you ready?
I'm always ready.
Now let's start. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck-cluck here and a cluck-cluck here. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck-cluck. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With the oink-oink here and the oink-oink there. Here oink, there oink, everywhere oink-oink. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Akka, எனக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் பேசணும், படிக்கணும், எழுதணும், ரொம்ப ஆசையா இருக்கு.
அதுக்கு தான் தமிழரசி இங்கிலீஷ் சேனல் இருக்கே. அதுல vocabulary, letter sound, rhymes, stories, sight words, word families, phonics இது எல்லாமே சொல்லி தர போறோமே. அதனால மறக்காம தமிழரசி இங்கிலீஷ் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க தினமும் போடுற வீடியோ உங்களால பார்க்க முடியும், கத்துக்க முடியும்.
சரி.
Hi friends, we have many quality kids books such as board books, flashcards, picture book, rhymes book, coloring book, origami book, activity books, textbook, writing book and story book. All books are available at tamilarasi.org. All you have to do is log in and register and order your books. Thanks for your support. Now let's start the video. Hi kids, me and my brother like drawing, coloring and craft work very much. Do you like it too? Then upload all your drawing, coloring and craft work at tamilarasi.org. Share it with the Tamilarasi family. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends and family. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.
நன்றி.